it's time for the lightning round. Cranes are best of our calls to be same in the architect by myself, Sons of the core stock code of my staff, person, graphics, and plain sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Cranes are to start with Wilhelm in Iowa. Wilhelm.
Yeah, Jim, first-time caller.
Excellent. What's happening?
I have a small position in JB Hunt Transport.
Okay, don't want to be bigger than a small position. It is a transport. It is a trucking company, and we could be going into recession, and it's not a good group going into a recession. Let's go to Marty in Arkansas, please. Marty.
Hey, Booyah Kramer, Marty from Russellville.
All right, man, what's happening?
Hey, I have a brokerage account. I have one for my young daughter, Emma, and we are looking at her first food purchase, and it is $1.67 billion in sales last year, 6.36% last quarter increase. Analyst buy rating 60%.
All right.
Everybody loves donuts. What about DNUT Krispy Kreme?
Look, it's a nice spec for a kid. Maybe it can make a comeback, but right now this thing is just getting hit and hit and hit because it is not a cheap stock. It's actually expensive, even though it is a $4 stock. Let's go to Denise in New Hampshire. Denise.
Jim, thank you for taking my call. And
you're quite welcome.
And hello
You're
from
welcome.
Snowy New Hampshire today. And here's a big booyah for you. I'm a first-time caller.
Excellent.
You're welcome. I'm a first-time caller and a long-time listener. My question for you is about the stock Organon. Not sure how to...
we got to do a takeout on this thing because there's just something very wrong here. It should not be at this price with this dividend. And I'm looking at Ben Stoto as my research director, and we know that there's something wrong with this thing. And I can't just give you an off-the-cuff answer. I got to find out why this thing acts so badly. Let's go to Ovi in Illinois. Ovi.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good, Ovi. What's up? What's up with you?
Yes, I'm calling about ServiceNow. I bought this stock when it was $1,000 a share right after their earnings.
All right.
And their earnings were fine, but for some reason it kept dropping. So I bought again.
Well, people are worried about federal exposure. And look, I don't know whether it's right to worry about it or not. I'm just passing on what people are worried about it. And the stock is a very expensive stock in a market that is no longer happy with expensive stocks. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up is now the time to buy the dip in Rubrik, Kramer's one-on-one with the data security player's CEO, seeing if it's time to invest during the recent volatility. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.